Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mustaq's Tutorial Point. Today, we are going to discuss on how to earn money from Facebook, right? Everyone, we are looking for earning money from online, but Facebook is a social media tools by which you can earn money easily. But how? Today's topic is that how to earn money from Facebook. I am Sid Mustaq Ahmed. We'll present this session today. Now, we have to discuss how we can earn money from Facebook, right? Look, there's a two-way: invest money, invest time and effort. These two ways we can earn money from Facebook are invest money, invest time and effort. But how? Now, scope of earning from Facebook, right? Scope of earning from Facebook. Number one, by selling product. Number two, Facebook Marketplace. Number three, Facebook by selling services via digital marketing, via affiliated marketing, Facebook like, comment, share, selling courses through AdSense, Facebook ads, video views, Facebook apps, becoming influencer, paid event, and Facebook group and Facebook shop. Now, first of all, earn by selling product on Facebook. It is very easy way. By creating a Facebook shop, we can easily sell our product on Facebook, right? And finding a trending and winning product, first of all, you have to choose which product you want to sell, join into different groups, creating quality content by engaging audience, find out competitor, spy on competitor, analyze the competitor ads, start the ad, selling the product, make money, and repeat the process to earn the money repeatedly. And time to get started, approximately 3 days, and difficulty level is very easy because you have just post your product and people will and just reach the people, targeted people, and they will just send message, you will sell the product. This is very easy way. And estimated earning depends on margin and success of your campaign, right? So this is the one way. Another way is earn from Facebook Marketplace. You know, Facebook has introduced in Bangladesh regarding the marketplace, and marketplace, from marketplace you can also earn, right? Click on marketplace, create new listing. You can listing, choose the listing like type, add your product, right? There's a procedure to follow the marketplace and to sell the upload your product on the marketplace, and people will buy the product easily. And again, this is the very difficult level is very easy. And from selling services, if you are a teacher, you can sell your course. You are a singer, you can sell your song. You are a yoga teacher, you can sell your you can teach the people yoga from Facebook. So you can selling the product, and again, its level is very easy, and it depending on your skill level, right? If you're a teacher, you are easily teach the people, but if you are a singer, you cannot teach the people for academically, right? So that's why estimated revenue depends on skill level and competition. And then we are going to the step very quickly because we will not discuss all the thing in a class. That's why we're going to just a little bit faster there. And from Facebook via digital marketing, like understanding the undergo training on handling social media pages, SEO, send requests to join relevant groups, analyze posts of others who are offering similar services, create your post, your services on engaging audience, right? And approximately time to get the feedback or to get the money from this area or to earn this 14 days. And Difficulty level again depends on the skill level and competition. And from affiliated marketing is nothing but the commissioning back, right? You are selling a product of others, right? Who are the manufacturers, like AliExpress, right? You are selling product of AliExpress product, and if anyone, and when you join their program, affiliated program with AliExpress, ClickBank, etc., and in Bangladesh, there's like Daraj, and when you enter their affiliated program, they will give a link. Whenever people are click on link, and they will the product sell through your link, you will get a commission on that. Right? It's near about 5 to 10% per product. It depends on the company to company. So you can earn through Facebook by affiliated marketing also. And then earn from Facebook engagement. This is very important thing, right? This is very, you can work as a agency of others, right? Like find cheap seller of Facebook, running ad for selling, like, comment, share, etc. Which is called, logically people are think that this is the boosting sale, right? Boosting service. You can earn that money easily by getting two ways. Number one, you are giving the services to them, and you can get a services there. And another one is the conversion rate, right? You are selling the product, say $1 equals to BDT taka is 90. You can add 15% or 20% what is VAT is applicable there. And after that, you will get in 5 to 10 taka extra for your services. And this is called exchange game, right? So you can earn by Facebook engagement two ways. Number one, you can giving the services plus exchange game. And then earn from Facebook by selling posts. You are, suppose we are frequently conducting different training and courses, so we can easily sell our product through Facebook marketing. This moderate level of difficulty, because depending on the skill, time, and effort, and it depends on, right? And then learn from Facebook through AdSense, right? You can earn also AdSense. It's moderate to difficulty skills because it depends on monetization of Facebook. And when you get the monetize your Facebook page, then you can get earnings through AdSense. Earn money from Facebook video views, right? You can also earn from video. When your video views, you can get earning from video views when your Facebook page got the monetization, right? And for the monetization, this is not a very easy task to get the monetization from Facebook. Rather than this very easy task to earn monetization in YouTube, but you can, and wherever you can monetize your Facebook page, you can get money from that way also. Earn money Facebook apps. You can create useful Facebook ads, get your Facebook app approved, and sell your app to your third party, and you can get earned the money. It's very hard one. You have to do some coding there, and there is a special techniques to get that. In this advanced level of Facebook marketing, but you can get the money that way also. And another one is earn from Facebook through becoming influencer. And this another one. If you're influencer, if you get a subsequent number of huge number of subscriber, or which is called like or follower, you can work as an influencer, like in Instagram also. And as an influencer, you can post or post of someone post to your wall, or someone tag you to wall, and in that way you can get the money from that. That pages of that one of the pages also. And this is a super hard one, because you have to super hard one in the sense of that you have to earn a subsequent number of followers, and like so 1 million, 10 million, like that, and then you can follow. Like as for example, like Salman Khan, right? Salman Khan, he has a lots of fans and followers. If you post a product of yours, what will happen? You will get a lots of money, right? And that's why Salman Khan will get the money from you, because you have to pay him. He will not, because there is no freelance in the world. So that is why he has to, you have to pay money for that reason. Actually, those are the, and you can also earn money Facebook on different way. Facebook paid event, Facebook group, Facebook shop, Facebook ads, and playing game on Facebook. In that way, you can also earn the money from the Facebook. So this is not a uh, this is a very easy way to earn money for it, because there's lots of ways. There's lots of choosing for platform on Facebook to earn the money. And then if you think in broader sense, earn money, you can earn money in the four on way. Number one, freelancer. We can work as a freelancer in different freelancing market. Beside this, in local and international buyer, other than the market. Entrepreneur, we can uh, work as an entrepreneur to sell our product online, and you can directly contact with the buyer, and they can get the money through online. Professional job, right? And because after the COVID-19, there is a huge scope of job in the digital marketing area, and people are engaging the people. Organizations are engaging the people for maintaining their pages, maintaining their social media management, and that's why you can get the professional job also through the Facebook market. So these are the way how can actually this is the huge topics we have to discuss everyone by line, but in the short of time there is not possible. But I try my best to explain all of things to you regarding this matter to earn from Facebook marketing. I think this is very helpful to you. This is very encourageable to you that you can earn money from the Facebook, and this will help you to earn through as a part-timer or full-timer from the Facebook marketing. I think this is a very simple software. Not software, this is a simple social media, and you can earn money also. So try to get Facebook marketing, Facebook, try to learn Facebook so that you can earn from Facebook. Thank you very much for hearing me. And hopefully we will see in our next session on different topics on Facebook or digital marketing. Till then,